Yesterday there were some people that were here on this proposed road. थंय सुद्दां डेली ते येवन बसता. आमी जायते फावटी तांकां काडलेले आसा. पूण ते खंय तरी रातचे येतात आनी खंय तरी बांदतात आनी वयतात ते. येतात वयतात दुसरे आसता लोक. So we are on the go with regards to getting those people removed.
Second thing, you said that the buses will be shifted this side.
Yes.
So what is that? Initially it was for interstate buses. So will the private buses or the regular buses?
We will get interstate first. There is enough parking for 50 slots are there, 25 on either side. So there are 50 slots. We can see that there is space behind. So we can use the right side as you enter for the interstate buses because interstate येता ते सकाळी येता आनी ते सांजे येता. दिसाचे फ्री आसता. सो हांव MD KTC कडेन उलयतालो की तुमी एटलीस्ट पणजे जे बसी जे आसा ते हांगा शिफ्ट करूंक शकता पयलीं. So that is for them to figure out what is the course of action, but it will happen in a phase wise. पयलीं ते इंटरस्टेट घेतले कारण ते रस्त्यार सद्याक देंवतात आनी वयर चडटात. सो तशेंच ते भितर घेतले की वी वील ऑब्जर्व इट एंड सी हाव वी कॅन गो अहेड विथ मुव्हिंग द बस स्टँड इन अ फेज मॅनर इनसायड. तशेंच ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हटलें फेज 2 स्टार्ट करतना आमकां ते बसी जी आसा भितर तांकां सगळ्यांक खंय तरी शिफ्ट करचें पडटलें. सो वी वील हॅव टू वर्क ऑन अ सायमल्टेनियस प्लॅन बिकॉज ते मल्टी लेवल पार्किंग येतले भितर. So as we progress, the entire space, there is an additional 10,000 space behind this bus stand that is still yet to be utilized.
सध्या मेंटेनन्स कोण आसतले? KTC आसतले वो
Transport Department as a project, so it will be handed over to KTC.